So welcome to Doing Stuff Outdoors. If it's your first time stopping by, we really appreciate it. If you came back for another video, we really appreciate that as well. And today, it's kind of a rainy day, but we did some preparation in case it was going to rain. And we got a couple things on the agenda to do today. Let me show you what we got going on, so stick around. So I've got some of our custom-made wood racks in here, and you know, they take a lot of abuse, and I know that, but we got to fix some. I got a bottom broken out of that one there, and that's just because of poor quality lumber. There was a big knot there, and it just broke with the weight of the wood. Then this one here, this is my own fault. I caught it with a pallet fork and broke it. So we just got to replace that board there. And then this one here, not too much to do to it, other than just kind of screw this back in. So that's what we got going on. Shouldn't take too long. So this one is going to be a pretty easy fix. I just got to take the bracing off of it, which I usually put just 4 screws. This one might have 6. And then you'll see, then I got to reattach this to this. This is one of the first ones that I made, and they're not quite as tall as the rest of them. So. All right, so see, that just comes off just like so. And here's the problem with these, the boards. Some of these I made out of scrap lumber, and they're splitting pretty good, and that's why they're coming apart. So I'll just put them back together, get another season out of them, hopefully. Got a little warm there. But some of this is my own doing. I pick them up with the pallet forks like this when they're empty, so I can move 2 of them at a time and make fewer trips to where we're processing wood. But like I said, I'll get it together here for one more trip. Hard to find wood to screw into here. It's all split. I didn't bite into anything. I'll move that over. I'll go get some longer screws. I think I got some 4 inchers to put in the top of this one. Be right back. So a quick short video on a little bit of wood rack repair. If you stuck around this long, we really do appreciate it. Hit that like button, subscribe, share the video with your friends. It really helps us out a bunch if you poke all the buttons. And as always, have a super fantastic day.